to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I have another unboxing video, and this one is from Influencer VoxBox, and this one doesn't say which VoxBox it is. It just says just for you and Influencer right there, and it says right here fragile liquid. So anyways, I'm super excited to see what's in this box. I will have them linked down below so you guys could go sign up, and it's free, so you guys should do it. But anyways, I didn't know I was going to get this VoxBox. I only knew I was going to get the other VoxBox, the Cetaphil VoxBox. So let's check it out. Ta-da! So it comes with a card. And okay, so this one is a hot summer VoxBox. This is what it looks like. It just tells me how to review these products, and it tells me the products that they sent me. It looks like they sent me 3 products. So I'm going to begin with this big product right here, and this one is a Red Can 5th Avenue Triple Mist Diffusion. It's a hairspray, or what is this? Yeah, it's a hairspray. So this is a Triple Pure 32 Extreme High Hold, and it's this one right here. This is a full-size product, and I hardly wear hairspray, so I'll probably just use it like 2 times and then give it to my mom. But anyways, I'm still really happy that they sent me some hairspray, and since I did barely cut my hair, I will be curling it and then adding some hairspray so the curls will last longer, hopefully, and then I'll see if I like it. So this Red Can Triple Pure 32 High Hold Hairspray, it is extreme high hold with no crunch feel. Oh, maybe I'll keep this one because I normally don't like hairspray because it feels like too stiff and like crunchy, and I don't like that. But supposedly with this one, there's no crunch feel. So we will see if that's true. Alright, now the next product, it is this right here, and this one is the Atelier Cologne Orange Sanguine Cologne Absolute Pure Perfume. So this is what it looks like. I have never heard of this brand before. Orange Sanguine is like summer in a bottle, formulated with ingredients of 91% natural origin, including carefully sourced blood orange and sandalwood. So I'm excited about this. I've never tried this brand before, so this is going to be nice. And it says cologne on here, but then it says perfume on the card, but I'm not sure if it's for men or both, so I guess I'll look it up later. It says that it is made in France, so that's cool. This would have been perfect for traveling. I wish I would have opened this before I left. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. It's really pretty. This is like literally perfect for traveling. It doesn't say anything if it's for guys or girls. So this is like a spray bottle. I thought it was going to be like a roll-on perfume, but it's not. So let's smell this. Okay, it does smell like oranges, and it kind of has like a woody scent, and it's like really soft. It doesn't smell so strong, so I would definitely wear this. Anyways, it smells really good. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. But anyways, this smells really good. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have ever tried anything from this brand. Okay, and the last product that they sent me, it is a Milk makeup product, and it's this one right here. And it looks like they sent me a mascara. So they sent me the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Milk Makeup's clean essential mascara for fluffy high volume lashes. And I believe I already have one of these in a full size that I got from BoxyCharm. Oh, this is nice. So this is what it looks like, and it feels like metal. It looks really cool, and it kind of looks like a tool, and it looks really cool. I like it. And you know what? I'm just going to open it because, yeah, I need to try it out either way. So let me show you guys what the applicator looks like. The wand. Oh, nice. Okay, so I really like when mascaras have a wand like this because it's like really easy to apply on my lashes. So I'm definitely going to be using this pretty soon since my other mascara is almost gone. Super happy that they sent me this as well. And that is everything that they sent me this month. Just 3 products, and I'm really happy and grateful that they send me these products for me to review. So thank you so much, Influencer. And if you guys want to get a VoxBox, make sure to go sign up. It is completely free to sign up. All you have to do is connect your social media and review stuff that you already like, so they could see that you actually review stuff. And then they will eventually send you emails asking if you want to try out a product, or sometimes they'll just send you a product without telling you. Like this one, I didn't even know they were gonna send me this. So anyways, they will be linked in the description box. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.